Sorry, Catmano. I tripped and spilled soup on you. Just deal with it, okay?
Max is teasing Catmano again. Hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll give Max a lesson.
Max, would you like to go to a restaurant with us tonight?
Why not? It's a free dinner after all.
I'm gonna break this chair leg and let Max sit on it. It's gonna be so funny.
Oh my God, shrimp. I'm gonna eat so many shrimp, so get ready to pay.
That's what you get, greedy Max. We got our revenge on you. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.